whole foods are foods that are in their natural state when they are consumed. Such items include fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole cereals, nuts, and seeds, among others. When you eat whole foods, you avoid additional sugars. It is not processed, therefore no sugar was added to it. You will naturally lower the quantity of sugar that you consume if you eat a diet that is mostly composed of whole foods. Opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts, which naturally contain less sugar and come with added benefits like fiber and nutrients.